Today I'll be teaching you how to cook one of the most delicious jollof rice. This method is very simple, but the first thing we need to do is to kill a chicken and wash it. While washing it, you start cutting it, as you can see in the video. I am cutting the legs and also removing the nails. You wouldn't want to see the nails in your food. After cutting all the parts of the chicken, you steam it using all the ingredients, and after that, I decided to fry. Then, in this part, I added my cayenne pepper, my fresh tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic, and as you can see, I just finished parboiling the rice. After parboiling the rice, I added the parboiled rice into the pot and added the fresh tomato, cayenne pepper, mango, curry, and the fried. I fried the stew, or fried the tomato and pepper, then stir together before adding other things. Remember, always use your cayenne pepper, fresh tomato, fresh pepper, your curry, mango, and garlic, ginger, then fry it. So because I fried it, so that's why I'm adding it to the parboiled rice. Then as you can see, I'm adding water to the mixture. I'm still adding water, a small quantity of water into the parboiled rice, and stirring them together. Then added hot water. Just add a little water into this because I'm going to be adding the chicken stock anytime from now. Remember, if you can see, I added the skin of the chicken and the rice. Now this is time for the chicken stock. I'm adding the chicken stock to give it this nice aroma and taste. I noticed that the quantity of salt in the chicken stock or and in the rice was not enough, so I added half teaspoon of salt. Then stir together. Then cover the pot. While we wait for the rice to almost get dried, we are going to be adding some other ingredients as you can see in the video. So you can see me checking and still covering the pot because I'm not satisfied yet. Now you can see that the rice is almost dried and I'm adding my carrots, my chopped carrots, then adding my green beans and green pepper. Then stir together. The reason why I'm using a pestle, a wooden pestle, you can also use a wooden spoon, is because when you use a normal spoon like a stainless spoon, it tends to make your rice soft. So while stirring over, you use a wooden spoon, or if you do not have a wooden spoon, you use a pestle. So that's what I'm using right now to stir the rice. You can see my rice is not gummy and too soft. This is how you want your rice to look like. As you can see, my rice is ready. So allow your water to dry. You can see the fried chicken, and I'm also frying plantain because I'm going to be eating it with fried plantain, chicken, and jollof rice.